That's it. You know, I was still gonna let you have her, but now, forget about it. Prepare to feel very bad about yourself.
Hey, well, I've been preparing for that my entire life. Or something about you that's mean.
Oh, I honestly never expected this. I didn't prepare a speech. But I'd like to thank my parents, who've always been there for me. I'd also like to thank my friends, Chandler, Monica, Phoebe, Rachel.
Go get the eggs. Put them in there.
Okay, it'll take just a little while to prepare the embryos.
Embryos? As in more than one?
5, actually.
Okay. That's good. Yeah, okay. That gives you a couple hours to prepare what you're going to say. Good, yeah. Oh! Don't you people ever knock!
I'd like to have Don and Phoebe over. Wouldn't that be nice?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word prepare. It means to put in proper condition or readiness, to prepare a patient for surgery. Also means to get a meal ready for eating, as by proper assembling, cooking, etc. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce prepare, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to pair. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how prepare is used in real life.
Now, forget about it. Prepare to feel very bad about yourself.
Okay, it'll take just a little while to prepare the embryos.
Embryos?
Prepare yourselves for some Class A flirting.
Yeah, okay. That gives you a couple hours to prepare what you're going to say. Good, yeah. I didn't prepare a speech.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.